How amazing would it be if you could lose weight quickly with one drink? Sounds like a dream, right? But guess what? It's real, simple, and surprisingly effective. This magical bedtime beverage is not only easy to make, but can also help you shed those extra pounds faster than you'd expect. All you need to do is drink 1 glass of this powerful juice before going to bed. It's particularly effective in reducing belly fat. If you stick to this routine and combine it with 30 minutes of cardio exercise after waking up, you'll start noticing positive changes in just a few days. Did you know that your body can actually accumulate fat while you sleep? This happens because your metabolism slows down at night, meaning your body burns fewer calories. However, the natural ingredients in this drink are designed to speed up your metabolism, allowing your body to continue burning fat even as you rest. So, how does this magic happen? The secret lies in the metabolism-boosting properties of the ingredients. Drinking this juice before bed keeps your body's fat-burning engine running, even when you're asleep. One of the key ingredients is cucumber, a low-calorie vegetable that's packed with fiber and water, both essential for weight loss. A whole cucumber contains just 45 calories, and its refreshing nature adds a crisp, clean taste to the drink. Next, we have parsley and cilantro. These herbs are not only rich in antioxidants, but also loaded with vitamins and minerals. They help reduce water retention, making your stomach appear flatter and less bloated. Ginger is another superstar in this drink. It boosts digestion, speeds up metabolism, and helps relieve constipation, all of which are crucial for getting rid of stubborn belly fat. Its warming effect helps the body burn more calories, even during sleep. Lemon juice plays a vital role by detoxifying the body. It helps flush out harmful toxins that can slow down metabolism and cause weight gain. Drinking lemon juice regularly can leave you feeling lighter, healthier, and more refreshed. Another key ingredient is aloe vera juice, known for its high antioxidant content. It helps combat inflammation, reduces bloating, and boosts metabolism. This can lead to a noticeable drop in your body mass index over time. Drinking this healthy beverage before bedtime can make you feel lighter, more energetic, and refreshed in the morning. The best part? You can find all the ingredients easily at your local grocery store, and the drink takes just a few minutes to prepare. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a handful of fresh cilantro or parsley, half glass of water. How to prepare? Simply add all the ingredients into a blender, blend until smooth, and enjoy a glass of this fat-burning juice before you head to bed. While the drink includes healthy natural ingredients that can support weight loss efforts, it's important to understand that no single drink can magically melt belly fat overnight. The techniques mentioned, such as consuming metabolism-boosting ingredients and pairing them with cardio exercises, can contribute to a healthier lifestyle, but they work best when combined with a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and adequate sleep. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health tips and recipes, make sure to subscribe to the channel.